Ready.
Well, not too close. Oh, sorry.
The boys right here. Look at that mental bucket right there. With the mental guy right behind it. And his mental partner. Soon, doing a special shout out, 435. He's gonna do a quick number right here.
435. What's love?
You guys ready? Sing louder.
What's the stuff? Don't step too close to the casket. Oh, come on.
To be honest and true, to the things I believe in my heart, even when this whole world is blue. Yes, I've learned to be brave.
We are. We're Malone team. And I'm gonna look for.
The precious gift of the Savior, and endure to the end. As I strive to hold on to the things that I know are true. Temptations, they beckon to me and try to subdue. It takes courage to win and nothing to lose. And now I plead for His mercy as I struggle to choose. Courage is doing what's right in the presence of fear. It takes courage to do what I should when no one is near. Courage is my way of saying I will follow thee where the world walks out on me. Courage is my way of saying I will follow thee when the world walks out on me.
Out. Fire.
Brother Saki, brother Jackie, brother Jackie, brother Jackie, hey, brother Jackie, yo, brother Jackie. Here we go. Brothers mental, brothers mental.
Closer to that side. Because the tractor's going to come and lower the...
Ooh, that was beautiful, guys.